Good morning, friends. I am here doing a little something. It's me, Dora Beth, that yarning seed rod. I'm trying to do a little bit of crocheting this morning. I have a project in mind. It honestly should have been done way before now, but I've had some busy hands taking care of Mama and taking care of critters. Look at his ear, y'all. He's a sight. So I don't always get to come on and do the yarning stuff that I love. But in my hand, you can see that it is a cross-shaped wreath frame. It's a pretty big one. It's not huge. It's not as big as the project I had working on the wreath, but this lovely is from the Dollar Tree. Greenbrier International. And I've had this about 6 months and have not started it yet. But it's getting ready to take place today. I do have this color accent on my front porch right here, and this is my spring thing that's getting ready to take place. And here is how this bulky stuff looks. This was a gift to me from Shonda from Pray and Crochet, I believe. Sweet Shonda Rose. We sort of just pass yarn around between us. I'll send her a bunch. She'll send me some for my birthday. We just keep doing the yarn exchange. And of course, this one didn't come with it did not come with the lovely thing around it. So I'm trying to find the end, you all. It just looks like a bunch of yarn bark, but it does have a starting point somewhere. I'm just going to keep going until I find it. And I'll try to bring you back when we are doing our, when we start on our cross wreath. I'll bring you back and show you a little more of the work in progress, which is a WIP. So I'll be taking this off. Get me some scissors and get this off and get started right away on this beautiful project that should have been hanging on my front door all month, because Easter is just around the corner. 4 more days. 5 more days. But this is going to be a beautiful spring color, and it can just hang out on my door for a little bit. Makes me happy. Okay, you'll see me here in just a jiffy to get this thing started. I can't hardly wait. Okay, I've made my way back up to part of, let's get this going right here. I've got my way back up here, guys. And I love how this is turning out, but you have to get really involved in this. You have to feel for it. You have to know when to pull that through. You have to get your hook and feel for all of this stuff, get it started. And I'm just go in and out of here with the hook. There is no tutorial on how to do this. I just am winging it and just bringing it through and making this nice and fluffy on this part of the cross. I'm going to try to pull it up a little bit so you can see a little bit more of what is taking place. But this is a project that you can do. Very simple. I say it's simple because I am feeling my work and I know where I need to go with my hook. But if you are a new crocheter, this may not be as simple as I'm talking about how simple it is. You just have to keep fluffing it up with the yarn. Loops and threads, I'm pretty sure, is what we got here. And I'm just taking my hook, pushing it down in, wrapping the yarn around it, pulling it up through the last one. Wait, I think I've lost there. I'm just about goofed up there, you all. Yeah, I'm going to pull that right through here and make sure I got it on there tight and pull it through. Come on, baby. Get right on up in here. There. It is. It is definitely a finicky project, and you do have to feel for it so you know where you're at. And that's what I'm doing right now. Just going to hook that up in there and pull it through, making this as fluffy as we can, and it will continue to gain fluffiness as you work. I'm going to go back into here this way, pull it up, and turn your hook to make sure you still have everything on it. And come right on up through here, pull it through that, and go back down in here. Put your yarn on this hook. It is a job. It does not take a lot of time, but it takes a lot of touch and feel. You got to make sure what you have is coming through. Oh, sorry, my tripod just got a little out of focus there. So you've got that, and you pull it on through. There we go. You have to make sure that the black string comes through, not just the yarn. So you've got that going on. Keep on pulling that yarn through these metal frame. So you've got your cross looking spiffy on both sides. Now, of course, there is a front and a back side, and I'm just getting it organized and fluffy just the way it needs to be. And the biggest thing is, keep putting the fluff in there. Keep fluffing it up. Oh, hang on. Gotta get in there and get my yarn back so that I won't have anything unraveling. You know what I mean? Yeah, we can't have an unravel here. There we go. Now we're going to grab this and pull it through. There we go. And keep on working until we get all the fluff that we want on this part of the cross. It is, like I said, you have to feel. There we go. You got to feel for it, get it going, and have your stuff working. And this is my first time using this particular hook. I just lost it again, you all. Just lost my, okay. Aha. Yeah. Gotta grab that black part and tighten it. There we go. We tighten it down. Indeed. This is just going to be so beautiful once I am done. I'm going to get another big hook full of good fluffiness. Uh-oh, hang on. It decided to come off my hook. Can't handle that. We don't want nothing messing up on us here. Here we go. Let's get that pulled through. Now we're talking. Now we're talking business. Here we go. Get down in here again. Pull it up. Move it through. Got two of those black. Okay. Now we are moving and a grooving. Yes, indeed. I'll be back whenever it's done. I know. I only rent here or I'd paint this door, but I did put a little bit of Jesus out here on the front door. Y'all think of that? Is that lovely or what? Look at that. Green and turquoise and blue and white fuzz from Sugar Lumpus. Wait, nope, that's part of the stuff. I was blaming sugar for that. But that is part of this Loops and Threads woolly stuff. Y'all, what do you think? It looks so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to back up. Let me see. There we go. Does it blend in good with my greenery here? I know, that little flag is a little small this season. But there it is. There it is, y'all. Sure enough. Happy, happy resurrection stuff going on.